You are going to love the 2019 Golf GTI. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, compass, low tire pressure warning. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.